Kung may tutong kayo, then anong kailan service na. Anyway, good morning everyone. On behalf of our PSWD OYA, iba nga po nga uray karon Sir Daniel Bitke. Madam Esther, she was one of the devolved personnel of the Department of Social Welfare and Development. So, inilang tao nga ng PSWDO uhaan devolved ang opisina. So, Madam Esther uhahiya as the employee of the DSWD statistician handi o idi of Madawawi Province o ni integrate ni ahiya accounting sa o ni ahiya mawadda ng PSWDO kaya nabaybayag ni service yung 2 PLGU maignian ha PSWDO an office. Inga na hindi an 1994 ahi amin na sa sarulo an nahire an udong hiya mo ng timadog na an PSWDO an office. So since yung commerce graduate haydang dako hinog na napeman na an dako ang paperworks, admin work ng opisina. Inga na hindi ang inalan ng MDO o ni midag ihiyay udong ang programs. So she started with the persons with disabilities. Though ina di peman ang challenging times medyo nung itsura na peman medyo maligatan. So dami mo, anamin mo, dinun handle together with her. Ngem hiya na di focal, hinaan persons with disabilities. So through the years, dako na activities for PWDs, na-implement, gapu ihiya na. So non-federation ng persons with disabilities, under ng initiative na, peman, idiyan time. So inga na duwani, nung sisinukat amigo, program, so inga na po ng senior, yelog na na po. So kaya na ito man o seniora damdamang. Together with ng solo parents, hiya di kithawak, inga na hiadwani. So Esther, in the office, she is very much committed to her work and dedicated. So kay idam-idam damaan si Maruno, ihiya na dinun adalan mi technically na typing madam to computer kasi siyempre min inirami dadi hiya na peman dinun tutuddo. Very patient hiya ang tutuddo. So at inigo ng programa aninog nana inanusa na aninhandel datuwe an big and federations inga na pahinan and retirement na. So, Madam Esther, kaya sa accountant, you will start now the another journey, which is the beginning of what you want to do. Hindi lang naman piniti then siyempre peman, nadanungan mo na kung retire na, it will be another journey for our retirees. So good luck nung adan man ang plans you for the next journey. Hiapo Dios di mong bendisyon. Tapno kami lang nan imununuyo and contributions you ng success ng program ang DPLGU yahanaot po tamong progreso damdama or wagahan apo Dios na ang plano you ang munungon after June 30. With that, thank you very much and congratulations.